Hello everyone! So for my flipped lesson project, I decided that I wanted to focus on teaching nouns to first graders. And if you couldn't tell, there are a bunch of photos on this slide, and they're all nouns, but they all represent different types of nouns, and this is something that I'm going to be teaching in this lesson. So there are common nouns, which are nouns that refers to general objects, animals, and places where they don't have specific names. So for example, a cat, a boy, a house, or even flowers. There are also proper nouns. These are a noun that is particular person, place, or thing. So for example, it would be Mrs. Smith or Subway, which are very specific compared to the common nouns. There are also possessive nouns, which are a noun that shows ownership of an object that tells who or what it belongs to. So for example, this computer belongs to Ben. So that means that it's Ben's computer. Another example would be this desk belongs to Mia. So it would be Mia's desk because it belongs to her. So what we would be doing is the students would be going home and watching 3 videos, one on common nouns, one on proper nouns, and one on possessive nouns, to kind of get an idea of what we would be doing in the classroom within the next couple of days. So in the classroom, students would come in with knowledge of what those types of nouns are, so we would be able to jump right into an activity. And for the activity, we would be doing a I Spy game, where they would walk around the classroom and try to find certain objects related to those types of nouns. So these are my standards that I followed. Students would demonstrate command of the conventions of standards, standard English grammar, and usage when writing or speaking. They would also use common, proper, and possessive nouns. So like I said, we would use them in the classroom and get a lot of experience with them in those ways.